I have always hated hair removal and I don't have the pain tolerance for waxing. And my sensitive skin just cannot tolerate threading or razors. They give me bumps and strawberry skin and just don't get me started on how much time it takes. I don't even remember how many times I have cancelled my plans because I just didn't feel like going through that entire hair removal routine. And guys, just tell me why this grooming has to hurt so much. And I know I cannot be the only one, right? We all want smooth skin, but honestly, who has the patience for all that pain, time, and expense? I actually wanted something easy that I could do myself without thinking twice. And finally, I found something that works so well, and it is definitely not your regular trimmer. I have with me the Bombay 6-in-1 trimmer. I have been seeing this product everywhere from reels to shorts, and I definitely wanted to give you guys my honest opinion, so let's try it out together. So here is everything you get inside the box. 3 different attachments for different areas, the trimmer itself and a Type-C charger. It comes with attachments for your eyebrows, upper lips, chin and even your bikini line. And the best part, it is waterproof, so you can also use it in your shower. And it also comes with a detailed manual, so it can guide you through the entire process. Comes with a 1-year warranty, so it makes it super reliable and you don't need to stress about anything. Also, it is travel friendly, so you can use it anytime and anywhere, be it cabs, autos or traveling anywhere. It is so convenient and compact. You can use it anywhere without any hassle. And guys, you know what I realized? With a razor, honestly we should not even compare it, because with a razor you get so many bumps, cuts and that itchy hair growth which happens in just a day or two. Plus you always need to use a shaving cream or soap, which makes it super harsh for your sensitive areas. With this trimmer there is no pulling, no nicks, and my skin feels way too smoother for a really long time. And since it has different attachments, you can use it on your face, brows, underarms and also on your bikini line, something a razor just cannot do. And honestly, I have spent so much money buying these disposable razors again and again over the years, but with this it is a one-time investment. It is painless, quick and super versatile. And honestly, when I compare this to salon waxing, laser treatments or any other hair removal creams, this hands down definitely wins. Waxing means painful sessions and waiting periods. Laser is super expensive and I don't think it is for everyone. But this trimmer, it's easy, affordable and works anytime and anywhere without any fuss. Let's start with underarms. Normally waxing is so painful and shaving leaves me with irritation. But with this, I just stretch my skin slightly and glide the trimmer. It catches everything in one go and I'm literally done in under 2 minutes. No redness, no bumps and it does not pain at all. Now coming to the tricky part, face grooming. For the upper lip and chin, I use the small round head in tiny circles. It picks up even the baby hair, feels super gentle, doesn't pull and gives such a clean finish. For my brows, I always like to brush them upwards first. The trimmer comes with a two-way eyebrow head. It has 2 sides. The shorter side is perfect for shaping your inner brows and the longer side works beautifully on the outer brow. And if you have bushy brows, you can even use the comb attachment on top of the trimmer head to trim them down evenly before shaping. Then without the comb, I use the angle side of the eyebrow head. The trick here is to pull the skin slightly tilt, hold the trimmer at a slant angle and glide it in short downward strokes. One golden rule, never keep the trimmer in one spot for more than 5 to 10 seconds. Otherwise, it can cause friction or irritation. And I know what you guys must be thinking. Does it really work for the bikini line? And the answer is definitely a yes. And since it is waterproof, it is so easy to use in the shower too. Just make sure that the skin is dry and use the flathead slowly. It is way safer than razors and doesn't give you any ingrown hair. And no, whoever told you that shaving and trimming will make your hair grow back thicker is absolutely wrong. I have been using this since a while now and trust me, it has not made my hair grow back thicker or faster. And the blades are still sharp. And with most trimmers I have tried, they go blunt really quick. And this one hasn't tugged or pulled even once. And this is a little before and after for you guys. And you guys can see how clean my skin looks. It doesn't look raw or irritated. There are no bumps or redness whatsoever. The results are so good. So there is no pain of waxing or threading anymore. Also, I love the fact that it comes with so many different attachments for your different body parts. I personally like to keep just one head for my face and brows and the other one for my body. It feels cleaner, more hygienic, and makes the switching process so easy. So if you're someone who wants a painless at-home solution for grooming, then I would definitely say that this is worth checking out. And also I will, as always, leave a link in the description, and let me know if you guys have tried it out in the comments below, because I would love to know about your experience. And don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time. Bye.